Peabody does sing a very short but a very interesting version of I Left My Heart in San Francisco. Can you clear your throat? That a boy. All right, he's ready to sing now. Ready? Here we go. That a boy. See, they all liked it.
It was interesting.
Didn't say it was going to be good. She thought it was good.
No, we don't want you to rush out to your local pet store thinking you're going to buy a talking, laughing, singing parrot. Believe it or not, most parrots in captivity never do learn how to talk or laugh or any of that in their entire lives. It does take a couple of pretty special birds to come out in front of a group of people, do what they're doing for you today. Now, having said all that, all done over there?
Sure.
Having said all that, I'm gonna run Gabby. I should have seen that one coming. All right, Gabby, let's just jump into it with that chicken again. Nice finish over there, Peabody. And quickly now, your horse. Very good horse. What do you say about that putty cat from earlier? I thought you'd say. He's never stopped.
Oh, still funny.
Gabby, one more time. Let's hear your beautiful song. Very nice. With that, I'll say goodbye to Gabby.
Thank you. Before Peabody goes, he likes to tell everybody goodbye. You can do better. Keep trying. There you go. Right, keep going.
Keep going.
Okay.
You actually mean everything? What's going on here?
Well, I guess not. That would take a long time. How about a couple more? One more? And a kiss? That a boy. With that, we'll say goodbye to Peabody and to Jill as well. Thank you. Great job, Jill.
Thank you, Chris.
Well, we do have another parrot to show you now. Now we bring the next parrot out only for